Good evening and welcome to Hungary Report, starting off public media and one's foreign language news hour. I'm Csenga Gabriela Iboya with today's news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin. Let's begin. Since the start of the pandemic, we saw the largest number of new infections on Saturday. According to data released Sunday morning, coronavirus was detected in 3,149 cases and 35 people died, mostly elderly chronic patients. Due to the spread of the virus, the ministry decided to admit coronavirus patients to another 6 rural hospitals in addition to the previous ones. The head of the Department of the National Center for Public Health told M1 News that the pandemic is still on the rise and the number of cases is expected to rise further. Agnes Gargóci asked everyone to avoid mass events and places where safe distance cannot be kept from one another. The 150 ventilators that Hungary offered to the Czech Republic are already on their way. For days now, there have been more than 10,000 new cases a day in the country, and the healthcare is so overwhelmed by the coronavirus pandemic that the Czechs had to ask the EU and NATO member states for help. The Czech Prime Minister thanked Hungary for their donation on his Twitter page. The President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, also welcomed the solidarity between the member states in Hungarian on her Twitter account. Péter Szijjártó refuted Donald Tusk's statement on his social media page. The Minister of Foreign Affairs and Trade wrote, "Donald Tusk had the opportunity to prove himself, yet he did nothing when it came to making it easier for people of Europe to face the economic and health challenges of the pandemic." As Péter Szijjártó put it, Donald Tusk did not help the acquisition of any ventilators and nor try to protect any European jobs. Donald Tusk failed as a party leader and also as a man. Measures to help families in Hungary are continuous during the pandemic as well. Come January, you will no longer have to pay VAT on the flats purchased with chalk, and those raising a child can reclaim half of the housing renovation costs, up to a maximum of 3 million forints, so about €8,000. The Ministry of Finance today drew attention to the fact that family benefits have been steadily increasing. For example, family benefits have increased 26-fold since 2010. Thanks to the overhead reduction, the price of gas and electricity has long been the cheapest in the EU. And that's all for now, but don't forget you can catch Hungary Reports every night after 11 o'clock news and online as always. Do stick around and watch our German, Russian and Chinese language news. Thank you for watching. Please remember to wear a mask and keep a safe distance, and have a lovely evening.